Hey, my third grade mathematicians. Today we are going to work on multiplying by 6. This is a review of learning that occurred earlier in the school year. We're going to start out with a video, so watch this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. You can watch it several times and it will help you with skip counting by sixes and with your multiplication facts. So now we're going to go to a game that I want you to play today. This game is called Tile Capture. And what you're going to do is you're going to need to have a partner. And if you don't have a partner, then you can play by yourself and just keep points for each time that you play. So let's look at the directions, and on the directions, you have this in your packet. The directions tell you that you, as I said, you need a colored pencil or crayon. Each person that's playing needs a different color. So you're going to have grid paper, and the grid paper looks like this. And you have some number cards in the bag that I sent home with you on Monday. So you will need those number cards. They have the numbers 1 to 10, and there's several copies of those inside that bag. So you're going to place those face down, and you're going to pick up 2 cards, and you're going to multiply those 2 cards. So if you picked up the numbers 2 and 6, you would have 2 times 6. So you're going to make an array or an area model for 2 times 6. So you would have 1, 2, 2 rows of 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then again 6 here. So you have 2 rows of 6, and 2 rows of 6 equals 12. So then your partner would also pick up 2 numbers, and your partner would have a different color so that you can tell which array it belongs to who. So your partner might have 5 and 2, so they would multiply 5 times 2. So they would make their array 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 2 in each row. So we have 5 rows of 2, and that is 10. Now you're going to get points. So you had 12 points, your partner had 10 points. So we're going to go on to the next page, and we're going to look at what that would look like. So if you have So I'm going to put me, and I have 12 points, and you have 10 points. So the next time you play, you might have 36. So you would add those two together. So now you have 48. You would continue to play until you cannot put any more arrays on the board or until all the cards are gone. And whoever has the most points would be the winner of the game. But remember, when you are playing, it doesn't matter who has the most points as long as you are doing your very best the entire time. Okay, so I put an extra piece of grid paper in your bag so that you could play it multiple times. Now, for multiplying by 6 today, we know that there's lots of different models that we can use. We can draw an array just like I just showed you. We could also show groups. So if I have 6 times 3, I would do 6 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then we can skip count by threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So 6 times 3 equals 18. So that's one way we could do groups, and then we can skip count. Another thing that we have done or we can do is you can also use the distributive property. So if I have 6 times 3, I have 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 3 in each one. So I can use the distributive property. Now 5 is an easy fact. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 3, and that equals 15. And 1 times 3, and that equals 3. Then we're going to add 15 plus 3, and that equals 18. So those are all ways that you can multiply, and you have lots of other ways that you can multiply. You can use repeated addition. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 18. So that's another way that you could also do that. So we have lots of tools in our math toolbox. So as you are working on multiplying by 3, remember, you are going to watch the video, you're going to play the game, and then you have a worksheet that I want you to complete as well. So do a great job.